If you are leveraging social media to grow your online business and make money online, and no matter if you are an influencer, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, coach, running any type of online business and selling your own or other people products or services, including your paid communities, of course. If you click the link down in the description of this video, you are going to see a page with reviews from my clients, and then if you click any of those green buttons, you will get your 100% free email marketing course. On the part 1, I will show you how you can set up properly your professional email account, and on the part 2, how to set up by yourself a fully functional email marketing system, and also how you can automate it so you don't have to spend much time working more to make more money from your online business.